For the trouser, first of all, we need to continue with the belt layer, A point and B point here. Now you will just reflect this belt to the other side using a reflect tool and copy. These two shapes are done here. We need to close these shapes. So we'll select with the selection tool the shapes, arrange, right click and join. हम right click करके इसको join कर देंगे 2 times. Using an anchor point tool, you can convert this straight line in the curve. You can convert this straight line also in the curve here. Using a pen tool, we can do the detailings here, such as stitch lines here, 0.25 stroke dash lines here. Same way, हम और भी stitch line करेंगे यहाँ पे. Same way, you will just click here, hold and drag. So we can do the opening of the belt just by making a line here. We can also do the loops as well, the opening loops. You can select the loops here. Using a reflect tool, you can reflect this to the other side and copy. Okay, now we can do the side shaping of the pants here. Using a pen tool, A point, B point, C point, D point. We can give a straight line also, or we can do a little diagonal line. ये optional है, okay? ऐसे मतलब diagonal करके you can do shape as well, or you can just do the straight line. Totally on you how you want to do. This will be the shape of the side of pants. Once again, I'm explaining you. A point, B point, C point, D point, E point, and F point. These 6 points you will give. Using an anchor point tool, you can just convert this diagonal line in the curve. Same way you can convert this diagonal line in the curve. Same with this diagonal line also will be done with a curve here. This is how the pants layer will be done here. Using an anchor point tool, you can just make it a little diagonal more. Have a look at this. If any doubt is there, just let me know. So using a selection tool, you will select it. Using a reflect tool, you can just reflect this to the other side and copy. Using a selection tool, you will select it. Right click, join, right click, join. Okay, now you can right click, arrange and send to back. This is how you can select, join and arrange, send to back. So simple, solid, done. Now you can do detailings here, such as pen tool, by doing the center crease. जैसे pens में ना center crease form होती है, so we can do that with the line. The center crease line, we will change from here to this kind of shape, like a dart shaping. Okay, then you can do the stitch lines here, 0.25 stroke and dash lines. Using a selection tool, you will select all these lines. Using a reflect tool, you can reflect this to the other side and copy. Have a look till here first. So using a pen tool, you can do the detailings here, like this. Here we can do the pocket as well. So you can convert this line into 0.25 and doing this. So this is how we are done with the detailings. Have a look till here first. Then we'll do the back part. So it is basically the front part, or you can say front view. So back belt will be visible little bit. So back belt होगा वो भी थोड़ा सा visible होगा. So we're gonna make that as well using a pen tool. Using an anchor point tool, you will just give a curve here. Same way we will give a curve here too. Finishing the grayish part here. Right click here, arrange and send to back. So this is how the trouser flat sketch will be done here. Like this is the front view of the trouser. Till here everyone is clear, Ambika. And for the back view, we have to just select this complete flat sketch and group it, right click and group, copy and paste. Double click on the main shape to do the editing, removing the stitch lines from here like this, removing the all the detailings whatever is left. Using an anchor point tool, we will basically do this curves management. Rest everything is like same. So we are done with the trouser front and back. Just have a look first. Then we'll do the joggers flat sketch.